know this his team, man. He ain't put shit over here. This waiting on me. Good. In the water. Oh, he got to go against Lilith. Hey, this side. Let me find somebody better. Somebody might not know. Look out. Hey, I got other side. I got the other side. No, I give you odds. I give you odds. No, I give you 150 to 100. I give you 150 to 100. I'll take the other side.
I'll try some 20 to 40.
20 to 40, 30 to 20. All right, 20 to 40, that's a bet. Bet. Let's see. Man, Rafa keep peeling that motherfucker up, man. He done got me 2 times with that bullshit. Damn, fool. Here, man. I just won this shit. Damn, man. Boy, everybody should have got hit on that one. Fusion density, you tried to tell me, god damn. Lilith had to get out the gas. He all in the damn, got the groove and shit, man. Dang. I thought I had something soft. Boy, old Snow Bunny, he doing it, man. Put the shades on, goddamn it. He done fucked me too. Yeah, he got. Where you? Yeah, he got. Yeah, was that a setup?
That was a setup.
Man.
That man got off the gas. Let this man win. Got off the fucking gas. That's big shit, man. That's why you seen on YouTube about the candidate.
Yeah.
It like that big shit.
Yeah.
That man got off the gas.
Boom.
That's some bullshit, muffler, man. That's some bullshit. From Funky Town.
Yeah.
Boom.
God.
Bullshit, dog. Going that right.
Yeah.
That's off from me.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I hate a fixed rate.
Yeah.
Muffler men don't like that bullshit.
Yeah.
To let that man win.
Yeah, he's the Funky Town just saying he want his money back. We got on off. I'm glad I ain't lose big, man. God damn, this my homeboy too, man. I just don't be thinking he got it and then he be having it. You motherfucker. Man. Yeah. This is my partner too. Yeah. Yeah. He say Muffler Man let you win, bro. Damn, that's it.
Yeah.
Damn, you ain't even.
I don't like that bullshit. Run on back.
He got out. Yeah, he say.
My partner, that man had about 2 or 3 cars and got off of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't fuck with that car, man. You can't fuck with that car, that Nova. You got up there with that Nova, and you ain't gonna never run that Nova no more.
Bet I will.
Oh, you will?
What you want to bet?
Huh?
Well, tell me what you want to bet.
I want to bet right now if you run him now.
I ain't gonna run him right now, but I guarantee next time I bring my car, run him for whatever you want.
Oh, okay.
And as much money as you want.
Oh, okay, for win.
And I get with a gap.
Win.
And I bet with a gap.
You ain't finna run him no time. He here now. Y'all, you want to do something?
Huh?
You want to do something
right
now?
I ain't got
Oh, okay. Well, let me know. Let me know when you.
want.
I understand, sir. Let me know. I understand that. Let me know. You need to stay in your lane, though. Don't go from 8th grade to the 12th.
Yeah.
You're out of line. You're out of line, dog. You're out of line. I know you got small pills, but stay right where you in your small pills. Stay in the motherfucking line. I got a car. Oh, you want to run me?
Oh, yeah, bring it.
When you gonna
Right
run
now.
that song?
Right now.
Hey, well, I'm running on the street. How much you want to
We
bet?
go on the highway from a 30 road.
Okay.
150.
Okay, how much?
Huh?
Hey, bet 2,000.
Yeah.
Lock in 2,000.
On the highway.
On the highway.
Yeah.
Lock in 2,000. You running with turbo. Okay. When you want to do it? You ready?
Yeah.
Lock it in, baby. Lock it in.
No, we didn't say that. It's in my car.
We talking about this
No, we
car.
said my car.
And now
I
back
got a
up
turbo
in
car.
ice cream
I
truck.
got
You been motherfucking put up. Ice cream truck. Hey, you want some nachos off this ice cream truck? I made it bag up. Ice cream truck. Say, man, I'm like Ralph.
Yeah.
I've been knowing him long as a friend.
Yeah.
But I ain't a fixed rate.
Yeah.
Both of men don't like that bullshit.
Yeah.
Just let that man win.
Yeah.
Let it off.
He talking about he spinning.
Let it off. Say, man, look, that man spent on battle and beat him. He can't fuck with him. Look. Hey,
Yeah, that is right. That is right.
he can't fuck with
That
him.
is, yeah.
How both of men go back around Bill?
That is true.
Tell you something though.
That is.
I drive my shit every day.
Me
On
too.
the highway,
Me
buddy.
too.
Every day.
My turbo
Hey, you see
car.
my daughter driving?
My turbo car. I drive it. I'm gonna drive back to Fort Worth when I get through with your ass.
On 87?
I get through with your ass. Hey. Oh, you trying to sell your car? I take that right, you motherfucker. That bullshit, he got his motherfucker in his car. Say, man. Say, I got a street turbo car. I will fuck him and anybody else up.
Yeah.
That XRP. That's XRP.
They gotta be an XRP
Hey,
though.
I'll go get it now if he lock in like you did. Look out.
Yeah.
Time to
On
lock
the
the
Mount
money.
Creek.
Hey,
Yeah.
just wait, buddy. 2 weeks.
You don't
I
with me?
guarantee you gonna be riding.
You don't. I be.
riding.
Hey, I ride with you anyway when you ain't out of line.
Yeah, but he was out of line with
That man had about 2 or 3 cars down today.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you something. Every race that I race, I'm out of line. Every street race I go to,
No,
I'm
you
out of
ain't.
line. But I was racing with all these big guys.
You ain't out of line.
Everybody come out here.
You ain't out of line.
I got 317.
Say, I'll let you know. Hey, man. Rapper, listen to me. Whenever you out of line, I'll let you know.
Guess what?
You are out of line
I try
tonight.
anything. You can race GTR. I might get lucky.
Hey, GTR got a slow 60 foot.
Well, we're gonna run here. We're gonna run here. We got a turbo car.
On the highway.
Yeah, we're gonna run the highway.
30 to 150.
Say, Murda, let everybody car. I know you turbo.
Hey, I'll make Murda put that bitch back in the garbage. I'll fuck that Lexus up. You don't want to do a motherfucker thing. Murda don't want to do shit. Wherever his car at, in the garage or wherever, it's safe there.
yeah.
Put a car cover over that bitch. You don't want to fuck with me. At all. At all.
Yeah.
Murda don't, you don't want to fuck with me, Murda. At all.
All I gotta say, stay in your lane, old man.
Shit, whenever you get ready. You already owe me some tacos. Now go get my motherfucking tacos. Go get my motherfucking tacos.
I'm just supposed to feed them to you though. You tell me
No, you don't feed them to me. Just get my shit. Y'all want goddamn that pineapple drink.
Yeah.
You owe me 3 tacos, motherfucker.
Hey, in the drink?
In the drink, you remember what we said? In the taco. In the drink, motherfucker.
And
Hey,
the drink.
hold on. Murda, do you owe me tacos? Boom! Hit him in his eye for tacos. Hit him in his ass.
I can't fuck with you with nothing. You got.
Me on nothing. Tacos and nothing.
What the hell you mean, man? That one,
can't
you was
fuck
on
with
these
me.
tacos.
Hey, you been studying.
Man, you bought it for me, remember that? Yeah, you remember
If
that
I
one time?
did, I just bought something for you or something.
Yeah.
He didn't win.
Come on, man.
He didn't win.
He said he ain't win.
On taco.
God damn, man. Boy, I been some shit today, y'all. Shit today, man. God damn. Robert and Juan.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out, look out.